Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to build your own deck in Clash Royale, one that fits your playstyle and helps you win more matches. Whether you're new to the game or just looking to improve, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. First, open Clash Royale on your device and tap the Cards tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where all the cards you've unlocked are displayed. You'll see your current decks at the top. Each one can hold 8 cards. Now, to create a new deck, tap on one of the empty deck slats or overwrite an existing one. You'll notice you can mix and match any of your unlocked cards here. A good deck usually includes a balance of offense, defense, and support. Here's a quick way to think about it. Use one win condition. This is the card that helps you take down enemy towers like a Hog Rider, Giant, or Royal Giant. Add 2 or 3 support cards, such as Musketeer, Baby Dragon, or Electro Wizard. They protect your win condition and deal with air or swarm troops. Include spells, at least one small spell like Zap or Log, and one heavy spell like Fireball or Lightning for strong pushes. Finally, add defensive cards, units that can stop enemy pushes like Mini P.E.K.K.A., Cannon, or Tornado. While building your deck, keep an eye on the average elixir cost. You can see it displayed at the bottom of the deck screen. Ideally, stay between 3.0 and 4.0 elixir for a balanced deck. Once you've chosen your cards, tap Battle Deck, and your custom deck will be ready to use in matches. You can experiment with different combinations by swapping cards and testing them in friendly battles or against trainers until you find what works best for you. And that's it. That's how you build your own deck in Clash Royale. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment below what your favorite deck is. Maybe I'll feature it in the next video. See you in the arena!